Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to connect OTG on your iPhone 11. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and we are currently on the latest iOS version, the iOS 18.3.1. Now to enable OTG connection on your iPhone 11, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now from here, just enter your password. Now from here, scroll down and enable accessories. Now from here, you can connect an external accessory to your iPhone. And this is how you can enable OTG connection on your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.